beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. My JEmmieGold here. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. Forgive me guys, it has not been easy with work, with the kids, family and all that, but I'll try my possible best to be dropping video once in a while. So guys, in today's video I'll be unboxing a packet that I got from Fair and White. As you guys know, I've been using the Fair and White product for a very long time. A very long time. So I got the body lotion that I was using previously. I made the review, the link will pop up somewhere here. I made the review about I think 6 months ago. So I finished using that one and I got another one and I want to unbox with you guys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amdat. I'm a mom of 3 and I make my videos from Germany. And if you're yet to subscribe, make sure to click the red button. It is somewhere there. Make sure to click it. Join the my JEmmieGold family. And whenever you subscribe, make sure to also click the notification bell. Click the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a video. I don't know why I'm nervous. It's been a while since I made a video. It's like I'm new to the YouTube thing. It feels like I am new to YouTube, so it's kind of, I don't know how to explain it. So make sure to subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, join the my JEmmieGold family. Join the my JEmmieGold family. I have loads of video from fashion hauls, clothing hauls for kids, for adults on my channel that you can binge watch. So check the link below to watch my previous video. So let's just dive right into the video. Guys, this is the packet that I got from Fair and White. I know I said it's an unboxing video. We are supposed to open this box together, but when I got this box, as in when I received it and I saw this, and you guys can see now, this is one of the oils that I got, as in I don't know, so I had to open it to see what is wrong. So actually one of the oils that I got came, as in it came broken and nothing, as in practically nothing was inside. I've messaged the company, the Fair and White, because I get my Fair and White directly from their website. I've messaged them and I'm yet to get a reply, but let's just open this box one after the other. So let's unbox together and I'm going to show you guys what I got. Guys, the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Fair and White So White Skin Perfector lotion. You guys know I also made a review about this lotion I think about a year ago. This was the lotion I was using previously before I switched to the Fair and White So White. I used this one for about 5 years since I got to Europe from Italy to Germany. Then I switched because I got tired of the smell. And you guys might be wondering, okay, she said she switched, then why did she get it? So I got this from my sister-in-law in Nigeria, because you guys know there are lots of lotions in Nigeria that are fake. So to be on the safer side, I had to get this for her here. So this one also came like this. It is not well packed. I don't know what is wrong with these people. I mean, it is not well packed, and the oil is just everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see, the oil is just everywhere. So this I got two. I got this, which is the lotion. I got two. This is one, and this is the second one. I got two for my sister-in-law, and also I also got the oil, two also, but one of the oil is broken. I'm going to show you guys. So this is one oil here and the other one came broken. I've messaged the company, as I said, and I'm waiting for their reply. Look at it, as in nothing was inside, nothing. It came damaged. So this is the brightening oil. If you want to know more about this lotion, I'm going to link the reviews that I made. I'm going to link it in my comment section and in my description box. Then you can go watch the reviews, and also the link of the videos will be popping up somewhere here or here. Then you can watch it. So this is the brightening oil. So for the Fair and White So White, this is the range. They have different range. This is the Fair and White So White. I got the oil and the body lotion for my sister-in-law, just both. Then I'm going to show you guys the one that I got for myself. So for myself, as you guys know, I am now using the gold range. The oil is literally everywhere. The oil is everywhere, like these people here. So this is the Fair and White Gold Ultimate Unifier Even Tone. This is the one I'm using, and this is the second cup that I will be using since I started using this gold. This is the second cup that I will be using. So I'm going to open it and show you that I need to clean all this oil. You guys can see I need to clean it. Okay, so guys, for myself, I got the lotion. This is the lotion. This is the Fair and White Ghost Unifier number 2, even tone revitalizing body lotion, brightening and clarifying. So this is the second cup that I will be using. And also I got the oil. I got the oil the last time as well. The oil is also number 2. It says Unifier, even tone revitalizing argan oil, brightening and nourishing. So this is the oil. The oil is also number 2. Like guys, I am making this video purposely without makeup so that you guys can see how my skin look. Like the review that I made, the Fair and White Girl review that I made, I was not also putting on makeup. Yes, I was not with makeup. So this is the number 2. And also I got the shower gel. So this shower gel is actually not the gold, because I told you guys Fair and White has different range. They have So White, they have vitamin C, they have gold, they have so many range. So this shower gel now is from another range, but the product is from Fair and White, but another range. So this one is original glutathione exfoliating shower gel. So this is the shower gel that I got, because the shower gel for this gold is not available. I'm going to show you the difference between this glutathione shower gel and this gold shower gel. I'm going to show you. So I got the shower gel with mine. So I got the oil, I got the lotion, and I got the shower gel. Normally I do mix my my lotion. I'm going to show you the two in a jiffy, but before that I'm going to show you the shower gel, the gold shower gel. So I'm going to my bedroom now, then I'm going to pick it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so guys, this is the shower gel, the gold shower gel. This is what it looks like, the one I was using previously, and I'm going to show you the difference between the gold shower gel and the glutathione shower gel. So this is the gold shower gel and this is the glutathione shower gel. You can see the difference. I got this one because this one was not available, and I just love how this feel when you have your bed with it, the smell, everything. So since I couldn't get this one, I had to go for this one. I've not tried this one yet, but you guys know I always come with review. So if I try this one, let's say in a month's time, I'm going to review this. So that's why I said you should turn off your notification bell so that whenever I drop video, you will know. So this is the gold shower gel and this is the glutathione shower gel. So yeah. Okay, so the last product that I got is this Fair and White exclusive brightening cream gel. Yeah, I do mix my cream. There's no need to lie, I do mix it. So this is the one that I use. Even from my previous video when I did the how to mix your body lotion, you guys saw from this one that I added this in my lotion. So this is the brightening gel. This is what it looks like. So I got this in 3 directly from Paris. So I'm going to link their website in the description box. This video is not sponsored. I bought this thing with my money. They did not give me for free. I paid. So this is what I do. This is what I mix it with. So I'm going to show you guys. This is what it looks like. So I got this in 3. And also last but not the least is the serum. I've never used serum my whole life. I wouldn't lie, I've never used serum. So yeah, this is it. This is what the serum looks like. This is the brightening serum. I'm going to try this for the first time and I'm going to come back with a review in like a month's time. I'm going to come back with a review. I actually have there was a place that I got injured when I was little. The place is quite dark, so I got this serum just to clear the place. It's not as if the place is dark, but from my body, my skin tone, the place is quite different. But I'm going to try this serum. They said it's to clear dark spots, so I'm going to try this serum on the dark spot. Then I'm going to come back with a review in like a month time. So yeah, that is it. So guys, this is what my skin looks like. This is what my skin looks like. No makeup, nothing, nada. So yeah, guys, I come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you do enjoy watching this video, make sure you give this video a massive thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. If you're yet to subscribe, make sure you do. Subscription is free. It is totally free. You don't pay to subscribe. So support my channel. Yeah. So I'm going to link the Fair and White company. I'm going to link their website in my description box. They are not paying me to do this video. I'm just like sharing with you guys, and that is how I normally do. So, and also the video I made previously about this product, I'm also going to link the video in my description box and my comment section so that you guys can check them out. And also, if you want to bleach, this video is not for you. If you want to bleach, this video is not for you. I am not bleaching. Now, so I be. This is how I look like. So till I see you guys again in my next upload. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.